Okay, why won't it stand up? I already started. Okay.
Slime video?
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna scoot it over some because you're not in it.
We got this really gross slime.
It's absolutely awful.
It smells really good, but
It's cotton candy scented.
look at my hands. They have little snow crusty
It's like
stuff on them.
it's a cloud slime, and it smells good, but it sucks in every other aspect of it.
Yeah.
Like, I guess it's stretchy.
It makes my hands feel disgusting.
Yeah.
It feels like wet rubber.
Yeah.
And
Oh my gosh, it reminds me of eraser shavings.
oh,
That's what it reminds me of.
But it smells really good.
Like, it's really stretchy, so that's cool. We also can't get it out of the container. Nobody's gonna be watching this, but I feel like I need to explain everything that's happening. You know what I mean?
Yes. Can you hold it? I'm just gonna try and pry the poor girl out of here.
Literally, I'm like, it's so disgusting. It gets under your nails, and it's just awful.
Good thing my nails don't exist.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
Okay.
Ew.
She's kind of cute.
Yeah. Wait, I kind of like the sound of it when you like pulled it apart. Iconic.
It's kind of pretty now. No,
Yeah.
it's not like gray. Maybe it'll be like pinker.
Maybe. Ooh, wait. It's like thick.
It's a little bit better now.
I know. I kind of like it now.
But still, I don't like the stuff that
I don't
falls
either.
off.
Like, that sucks.
Kind of ruins the whole mood.
It does, but it's kind of fun. Wait, I kind of like take it back of everything I said.
Oh.
Actually, no, I don't. This still sucks. Wait, it feels like something though, like that I've played with before.
I feel like I would like it if my hands weren't covered in, like,
Yeah.
the snow stuff. The fake
Oh
snow.
my gosh, the smell reminds me of that. Like, it's like $1 perfume. And
Yeah.
it's like called Scent Fantasies or
Yes,
something.
that I used to have at my house all the time.
Yes, that's what this smells like, but the cotton candy.
Honestly, it's kind of yummy.
Why is it like so stretchy though? Like, I kind of like it for how stretchy it is. Like, that's like I
It
don't
was
know.
kind of gross at first, but
Now I'm
still
kind of
not
feeling
as
it.
bad. Like poking at the first poke was a horrible
It was
impression.
an awful experience. It was just...
I want the
Here,
full-
wait, play with the full thing. Like, you get a different experience playing with the full thing.
You really do. It's a lot nicer.
Yeah, but your hands are still covered in crusties. Please focus on my crusty hands. Crusty.
It's not like a nasty gray either, right now.
No. Like, it looks like my hands have dandruff.
It's
Can you agree?
Yes, honestly.
I wish I still had iced coffee.
Bro, look at that slime swirl. I'm such a pro. I'm such a pro. Smack.
Here, wait, I want to be like a beauty guru and be like,
It smells good, but it's really. Oh, do this with your hands.
it's sticky. Oh my gosh, I
is.
hope that guy doesn't park in front of me.
We're just going.
Yeah, wait,
Yes.
look, the camera's like bouncing because of this dude. Did it stop?
No.
No, then why did
Why did the music stop?
I don't know.
Ah,
Here, take this. You wanna listen to My Mom by Eminem?
Bro, let's
gosh.
watch it.
Gosh, this
Let's watch
video's a
these.
wreck. Are we done?
It's upside down. It's...
No, it's not. It's fine. This song's iconic.
I can do it.
Is it even going? Yeah, okay.
It's a nice
Ew,
sound.
look at it.
Bro, it looks like actual cotton candy.
Kind of gross.
Does it make popping sounds?
Oh, a little bit.
It's
But
not
cloud
fair.
slime so far, I'm not a big fan.
Maybe we'll get, maybe like some.
How would you
orange
even
is bad.
store it? Because like it didn't even come out of the thing all the way.
Yeah.
They can't even see what the hands are doing. They just see our faces reacting to it.
Should we show them? Them, but even no one that will be
But
watching.
no one that's
We
watching
should
this.
just upload this on a random YouTube channel.
I could upload our other one too.
We should make an ASMR. Lally also has slime. We can play with it too. We can make an ASMR video.
We should just make a YouTube channel just for fun.
Honestly, we can post our other one more seat.
We could. Why don't we?
That would be fun. That would be a bob. We should upload this to YouTube.
Literally, why don't we make a YouTube channel? Like,
Like,
there's someone
no
walking by
harm
my
in
car.
it. Bro, I want them to come in, be a little future.
Come in?
Yes. Just get in the car and sit back there with the jellyfish kite
Okay. And some flowers.
and your flag.
Yeah, my
Bro, so
flag
doing
and
your
my
entire-
hoverboard's also back here. Do you see it?
So doing your entire flag routine on a hoverboard while in the front seat of your car.
That'd be epic.
You should try and do it on the hoverboard.
I could try and spin on a hoverboard. It probably would be kind of hard.
Please try.
This is just. Hey, I got something crusty. What is this? Little crusty dude. Ew, disgusting. Okay. This video could be called like a slime and chat video. Slime review and chat in my car in Walmart parking lot.
With empty iced coffee.
With empty iced coffee and my hoverboard and jellyfish kite.
Yes, that'd be a perfect title.
There's literally such a freaking long title. What would we call our channel? Buh.
Just B-A-H or B-U-H. Bro, there's somewhere in here and I know I can get them
Oh
out.
my gosh, another video could be us making cookies because I recently bought stuff to make cookies.
Honestly, if we would have filmed our meringue video, that would have gone
Holy
viral.
Oh my gosh, Keely, what do you want to get on do you remember on my laptop how we recorded like a video?
Yeah, you like
For-
spilled milk all over.
No, but we were making slime.
Oh, you
Weren't we? And I
spilled, like,
spilled the
glue or
glue water all over my laptop.
Do you think like that'll be on the video? Just you spilling all over the laptop and it going black?
It'd be iconic if it
Like,
was.
the laptop like falls on the ground or
Oh my
something.
gosh. Okay, speaking of the slime, I really freaking hate the little droplets.
How are we gonna get it off of our hand?
I don't know. I have.
Hand
I
sanitizer?
don't know. I do have hand sanitizer, and I have like car wipes that you like wipe your car off with.
Do the poke. The poke is
I
not a good feeling.
I don't want to do the poke. Rip to my.
The poke.
The poke.
The
Okay.
poke. Pokes are.
Ooh. Here, I really hate touching stuff with my. Ew, do you want to wipe your hand? Here, wait. I have paper towel in the glove. But not paper towel, but like napkins. Ew, it doesn't do anything. Okay.
Oh, it doesn't come off.
No. So the only good thing about this slime is that it's stretchy. Literally the only plus side. And it
smells like a
smells.
$1 perfume.
It does. Like it smells nostalgic, I guess, but it's still kind of awful. Would you give this slime a rating?
I'd give it a 4 out of 10 just for the smell.
And the
and the
stretch.
I kind of like the sound it makes. Oh wait.
You're trying to put it in my face.
Bro.
Ew! It's not doing anything. Here, wait. Just use this one. It doesn't do anything anyway. It just makes it worse.
Why won't it come off?
I don't know.
What are we
Okay,
doing?
I have actual paper towels in
Bro,
here.
in our last video we had the cat video playing.
I just freaking stepped on the gas. Is what that was.
We had the...
Wait.
Where
Where's my?
we did.
Where's my? Here, I got paper towels.
Let me drink it.
Yeah, I don't know if this will help any. Did I tell you that I started watching King of the Hill on Hulu?
Oh, I think so.
What you just
Oh,
said.
it's getting everywhere.
No. What you just said that reminded me of like the one dude who like you can't understand when he talks.
Boomhauer.
Yeah.
Hanging murder. But wait, we need some music real quick. Right before the video ends. The outro music.
The outro. Here, wait. I just want to stare at them. Okay.
We have it here so it's so loud that you can't hear us.
Perfect. Okay, guys. Wait, let's whisper so then you really can't hear us. Okay, guys.